Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to play Dying Light the Beast on any low-end PC. I show you guys how to do it. Just need to press the escape key and go to options and go to video tab and set this quality to very low, and then full screen set this window mode, and resolution set this to 1280 into 720. Then scroll down, virtual sync off. FPS limiters, turn it on and set this to 30 FPS. And upscaling mode, set this to performance. Scaling type, set this to FSR. Scaler version, set this to 2.3.4. Latency reduction off, frame generation off. Then just click on the X key in our keyboard and select yes and save them. Again click on yes, and now you can enjoy the game, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.